I'm going to just go out here and get some gas now so that I got the gas that I need. And it's a bright, sunny day here today, as you can see. Well, you know the way Florida people are. If it's below 70 degrees, it's considered freezing. And I did my darndest to try to get Pam to come along today. But it was just way too cold for her to join us. She said next time. But you're really missing out if you don't ride on a day like today in Florida, because you get so few of these days. You know, the temperature is going to top out today at around 68, 69 degrees. It might make it to 70, but very well might not. But tomorrow, already tomorrow, it's going to go up to 75 or 76 degrees tomorrow. So these kinds of days are few and far between. So I just wanted to put together some footage for you guys to get an opportunity to ride vicariously through me. All of you who are snowbound. And I'm sure that some of you are not snowbound, because from what I'm understanding, there's been some big rains and some mild temperatures recently, and then that was followed up fairly quickly by some colder temperatures, so I don't know what all transpired. This is a gorgeous ride. Look at that water, the shimmering light on that water over there. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's really awesome. We're going to go down this road and go over the intercoastal and go out onto the beach road, and then head north on the beach road, which I think you'll like as well. We'll have the sun to our back. Right now we have the sun in our eyes. I apologize for that, but this road runs pretty much north-south, and so the sun does cross right over this road from left to right here. So normally during the summertime the sun would be right overhead, but with it being shallow in the sky today, because of the time of year, it's down a little bit lower in the sky, so it's a little bit more in our face. But the camera's all charged up, ready to go. Hopefully we won't have any technical difficulties, and you'll get an opportunity to see my buddy and his wife on their bike. They're behind me, and maybe once we get out on the beach road they can catch up a little bit, pass. You see those two.